Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to completely disable dark mode on your Google Chrome browser in Windows PC. So as you can see guys, my browser was in not dark mode. I want to disable it. So for this guys, in the Google Chrome browser URL box, you want to search Chrome // flags. After this guys, hit enter, and here in the search flags you want to search force dark mode for web content. So I think this feature also enable on your Google Chrome browser. Just you want to select this, and here you want to select default or disable. I am selecting default and just click on relaunch. After the Google Chrome browser was restart, as you can see guys, the dark mode was not disabled in my browser. So with this help of flag guys, you can also disable the dark mode on your Google Chrome browser. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.